We're here at the Tough Shed Workshop working on backyard curb appeal. When you get done with a long day of DIY projects, all you want to do is kick back and relax. So we've designed a paver patio for the front of this shed. Now, when you order a Tough Shed building, you've got options to add on a sidewall or a front porch. But if your backyard or your HOA doesn't allow for it, this paver patio is a great option. Our design features 3 different sizes of these pavers, and we've created a grid that you can follow along with, or you can be creative and design a grid of your own. We got all of our supplies for this project from the Home Depot. They're in the backyard and we're ready to go. So let's get started. We've had a really productive morning here. Don't mind the sweat. We've got our ground all ready. It's all tamped down. Then we put down a layer of weed barrier and then a first base of sand. And so this is our last step before we start putting down our paver stones. At this point, you can either use bags of leveling sand, or we found these nice flat panels. They're a little bit offset, so we can hook them into each other and create a great flat base to start putting our paver stones on. I like where